we've done it. We've did it. We're doing it. We're on the road for 2 months, heading up to Rockhampton and just a little bit higher than Rocky, slowly, and then around up there, and then we haven't planned our trip home at all yet. We've got to get back home by the end of October. So this is the 2nd of September. So 2 months away.
2 months away, yeah. It's so exciting.
And we're packed for 2 months.
Yes. The caravan's definitely packed for 2 months.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. But the car's handling it really well.
Yeah, we're cruising at 98.
Yep.
Which seems to be a sweet spot for the power.
But the car seems to be travelling really well, so yeah, no, it's good. Yeah. It's happy. We're happy.
It's happy. And
our first night stop is
Gyra, yeah.
Where it's going to be freezing.
1 degree minimums are forecast for tonight, so we're going to stay in the caravan park. Was thinking of staying in the RV park,
yeah,
which is free, but no, we might run the heater tonight.
I think so.
Yeah. Alright, so we're heading up the Waterfall Way, so we'll give you some shots of the Waterfall Way as we head up. So this is the climb up the Waterfall Way now, where we go past the waterfalls. And the road's been closed a couple of times in the last 2 years with landslides, so they've got a fair bit of work going on. Oh look, single lane. And a few bushfires through there.
I'm sure there'll be some more come summer.
Bridge.
No overtaking or passing.
The waterfall.
Wow. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Wow, look at the view out there to the right.
You just keep your eyes on the road.
Climbed up a long way. Don't know, probably the same.
How many cars have we got behind us?
1.
Oh, is that all?
One-lane bridge. Well, it's not really a bridge, it's just 1 lane.
There's no cars coming anyway.
Sorounds Falls. Falls are in there.
You just watch one. Look at that. They're so pretty. It's a shame they don't have places where you can stop.
Yeah.
You know, and take
a photo.
It goes my ears again. Ugh.
Oh, at the top.
Wow, there you go.
Altitude 762 metres. Clarence River catchment. Clarence? Isn't that Grafton?
What?
Isn't the Clarence River in Grafton?
I thought so.
So this is the Ebor Falls, that you can't see much of at the moment because they're doing work. Still got a bit of water coming over them. Nice spot when it's finished.
It'll be very nice. It'll be so lovely. You'll be able to stop here and have lunch and have a look at the falls and the toilet facility.
So we've pulled into the Guida Caravan Park last night, and we got here mid-afternoon or early afternoon, which was a nice pleasant drive from home, and it's only $30 a night here, which is pretty good. The showers were beautiful, as in nice hot water, plenty of water flow. They are a bit old, but hey, one day somebody will buy this place and do it all up and charge you $80 a night. So anybody who complains about $30 a night out of their head. So this is the called the Guida Summit Caravan Park. The Guida Summit. It's not that big. It's small. Got a few permanents, a few cabins, little look like motel units. And it is on the highway, so we stayed Saturday night, but there was hardly any traffic that I heard, and we're pretty close to the highway. But Ryan and Bruce, my brother-in-law and sister, stayed during the week, and they said there was trucks all night. So so weekend is probably the best time for this place. But it was pretty good. Drive-through site. I'll show you the site. We're just about to pack up and head to Moree, but all good. Was a little bit of a slope, but would have been better to park uphill. Yeah, he suggested I park uphill, the manager, owner, but I knew better and I parked downhill. It's stupid. Yeah, here we are. So we're all set up, ready to rock and roll. Still attached, just got to drop the lid and we'll find the RV park and drive past the RV park. So we've just stopped in at the Mother of Ducks lagoon and picnic area. It's not a bad little picnic area. You can sort of just drive in here. And Barbies, and just over here is the RV rest area where you can stay overnight, and there's 2 vans here last night, and there's a Barbie picnic table, and it's actually a little bit further away from the road, but I'm pretty sure that the noise would travel anyway. So it's all gravel area. Level spots are obviously over here. These are a little bit slopey, but yeah, you can fit quite a few vans here. Nice spot. And there's the golf course beside the wetlands. So just to acclimatise what we did yesterday, we came up through Dorrigo to Ebor Falls, and then went along we turned off the Waterfall Way and went on the Gyra Road, which took us into Gyra, and just turned south to get to the caravan park, and this is where the Mother of Ducks Lagoon is. And this is the New England Highway, Armidale down south, and Glen Innes to the north, but we're going out this way to Moree today.
Where are we?
Oh, we're in Moree. This is end of day 2,
Yeah.
a little jaunt out west before we turn north.
It was mighty cold at Gyra last night, wasn't it? Or this morning.
This morning.
Yes.
Yeah, 1 degree, got very chilly, ice on the ground.
Yep.
So, how are you liking your van?
Oh, I just love the van. It's just so lovely.
So what's so lovely about it?
It's a lot bigger, and it has a toilet and a shower in it, and I don't have to cook outside, which is fantastic. Because if we had the cross track this morning, Allister would have had to go outside and get breakfast.
It was a bit chilly, a bit chilly.
It's a bit chilly. But no, it's just lovely. It really is lovely. Yeah, isn't it?
Yep, I'm really enjoying it. You can just spread out. I can set the laptop up on the table.
The only thing I don't like is the table. So we're going to think about getting a different table.
Yeah. She's not happy about the table. It's a little bit wobbly and it's tight to move. And
and it's one side just squashed and the other side's got heaps of room, and so we're thinking of getting a different table. So other than that, it's fantastic.
And the other thing I'm thinking of doing
Is
the other thing I'm thinking of doing is the hot water system. I'm not impressed that to turn the hot water system on with 240. You have to lift the bed and reach in underneath the bed, turn the power point on. I'm not too sure about this. We're trying out this flat drainage hose. Not too sure about it yet.
It works all right.
It does work. It doesn't back up the water at all.
No.
But
Yeah, you're right.
So long as it works, it doesn't matter.
But you've got to have it flat like that.
you got to have it flat.
That's the big disadvantage.
Yeah, you got to have that big.
Why is it a disadvantage to
My
have it
big
flat?
manifold system.
Could
A breather.
a breather up here.
Yeah, but the breather, you need the breather mainly on the shower line.
The shower one.
You need it on the shower line, not the sink line.
Yeah. So do you use your shower a lot?
We will be,
We will, yeah.
but it just bubbles up the pressure. It's all because you're letting the sink out, and there's a lot of water.
Yeah.
And
it goes back
and it forces the air out of the line, and the air's got to go somewhere.
Yeah.
And the least resistance is back up the.
But it won't do
the
that
shower.
now.
Not with that breather, no.
breather.
Not with this breather
And
up here.
flat like that.
Yeah, this breather here lets the air out, so
Yeah.
it doesn't build up pressure.
Yeah. No, that's a good system, that one. I like that.
Yeah. So long as it works, it's great.
Yeah.
Of course it works. I made it.
Yeah. Of course it works.
Testing 1, 2,
3, 4,
3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8,
What are you saying, picking? What are you saying?
9, 10.
9, 10.
9, 10.
Just testing the mic.
So you
Can I make? I've got to know your video. Can I make a suggestion? Are you advertising Pinky's Travel?
Yeah.
Why don't you stand so you can see that in the background?
Well, it is. It's in the background.
I mean, you can stand anywhere, be any background.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.